Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the correct Comply series and size for your earphones and ear canal. Once done, clean the earphone nozzle and your outer ear so there's no wax or moisture. Next, warm the foam between your fingers for about 3 to 5 seconds to make it pliable. Insert the tip while compressed and hold gently until the foam expands inside your ear canal. This creates the seal you need for isolation and bass response. You now focus on seating and adjusting the tip for a reliable seal. Compress the tip fully with thumb and forefinger, then insert it at a slight upward and backward angle to match the shape of your ear canal. Make sure you push only until you feel resistance. Hold the earphone steady for 10 to 15 seconds so the foam can expand. If you don't feel a tight seal or bass improves, reseat the tip and repeat the compression and insertion process. You finish by verifying the seal and making adjustments if needed. Do a gentle tug on the earphone. If it stays put and bass and isolation sound solid at moderate volume, you're done. If the foam no longer expands well, replace tips every 1 to 3 months. If you feel discomfort or notice poor seal, try a different tip size or clean the nozzle and your ear before reapplying. One troubleshooting tip: if sealing fails, swap sizes first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.